In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if a list is empty in Python. But more importantly, I'm going to help you look like you know what you're doing. So we're going to start with the most Pythonic of all ways. And if you want to look like a pro, do it this way. They even mention it in the PEP 8 stylistic guide where they talk about programming recommendations. So this is part of Python canon here. You have to pay attention. So we have our empty list here, nothing in it. And if not empty list, we'll check to see if that list has anything in it. And if it's empty, it says, hey, the list is completely empty. Now, Python just doesn't suggest that you do this because there's a lot of ways you could do it. You could see if the length of the empty list is equal to 0. I've been guilty of that before I became more Pythonic. Or you could say empty list equal to an empty list. Now, when I ran this in Timeit 100 times to see what kind of performance difference are there between them, and lo and behold, the length operation takes 9.8 seconds compared to 7.13 for not. So not only is not the fastest way, but it also shows that you know what you're doing. So that's it. Please hit subscribe below. And if you haven't, hit the like button. Helps me build an audience here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.